If you're still using MT4, MT5 in 2025, you're basically trading in the Stone Age. These platforms had their time, but that time has passed. In this video, I'm breaking down why TradeLocker is miles ahead and why more traders are finally ditching MetaTrader for good. That's it, we're done. We're not using MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, we're not talking about it anymore. So let's get into this video. So guys, MetaTrader 4 came out in 2005. MetaTrader 5, which is what you see right now, that was 2010. Think about it. Think about how much has changed since then, and yet people are still expecting to trade on these old, outdated platforms that have issues, that are manipulated, controlled. TradeLocker, which is what you're going to see right now, is web-based, right? So you can either choose to download it or use it right through the browser, and it's built for traders today. It doesn't require, chunky downloads or outdated terminals. You just log in and go on any device from anywhere in the world. Phone, tablet, browser, it doesn't matter, right? Now, let's be real, because I want to do a fair comparison. MT5 mobile was slow. It was better than MT4, but it was still glitchy and just not user-friendly, right? When you compare phone interface from MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 to TradeLocker, there is no comparison. You can manage trades, adjust risk, draw zones, all from your phone, just like you would on the desktop, especially with take profit, stop loss, and break even, right? And it's fast-paced. Market, that flexibility matters. So let's about real transparency, guys, and that's no more guesswork, right? One of the biggest problems that MetaTrader problem basically behind the scenes consisted of was delayed execution, hidden slippage, spread manipulation. Most traders don't even realize that they were being played. If you were using MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, we all got played. We all got played. Because the brokers behind MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, hence why basically all of them are getting shut down, were all playing us. TradeLocker offers true ECN pricing and transparency order flows, right? So what you see is what you get. Now, you can trade directly from TradingView charts, right? So there's no lag, there's no shady fill behavior. So again, if you look at TradeLocker charts, okay, and you do a comparison, you'll see it lines up with TradingView. TradeLocker was built directly off TradingView. So let's not ignore the elephant in the room, right? Again, let's not ignore the big white elephant in the room. We've seen over and over and over again, we've seen broker after broker get shut down or restricted because of meta quotes, pulling MT4, MT5 license. Again, I'm gonna say that very slowly. Why is it that all these brokers that were using MT4, MT5 are getting shut down? It's starting to make sense now. KOT Forex, 24K Markets, Sway, they're all built on the same white label framework, right? And when the parent tech company decides to pull the plug, guess what? Everything crashes overnight, okay? TradeLocker isn't controlled by meta quotes, right? That means that brokers aren't forced to shut down just because of third-party policies, politics, you name it. So ultimately, let's sum this up for you guys, right? We all started with MetaTrader 4. We all evolved, updated to MetaTrader 5. But really, it is time for all of us to be using TradeLocker, right? It's simple, no downloads. You can choose to download, but otherwise lightning fast execution, TradingView charting, full mobile function, transparency, reliability, no reliance on meta quotes. Meta quotes basically said F you to everyone in the United States. So this isn't just about upgrading platforms. It's about taking control of your trading future. So I want to end this video with something, guys, and that's MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, right? They served their purpose. They basically got us in, got our feet wet, but trading has evolved. And so should you, right? If you want speed, reliability, and modern experience, right, TradeLocker is the correct move. That's like saying, right, if you're still stuck using MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, this is an iPhone 6 here. Why I still have an iPhone 6, I don't know, but this is an iPhone 6. That's like me complaining and saying, I want to still use this iPhone 6. I want to use this iPhone 6 no matter what. But it doesn't make sense because the iPhone 17 came out, which is 10 times better, 10 times user friendly, okay? So let me know in the comments, which platform you guys are using if you've made the switch. Hopefully you guys like this video. As always, subscribe to the channel. That's all I ask, is that you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below on what you guys think, and I'll catch you in the next one.